In this video, I'm going to show you how to destroy an object in Blender using cell fracture. So let's say I want to break my cube and I have set my base as a plane, and the first thing that you need to do is you have to enable our add-on. Just go to the edit and go to preferences and just go to get extension and search for cell fracture, and after searching make sure to install it and just go to add-on and make sure cell fracture is enabled, and after enabling it just select your object that you want to break, which in my case is this particular cube. So I'll just press tab key on my keyboard and I'll just right click on it and click on subdivide. You can subdivide it however times you want, but for the sake of video I'm just gonna subdivide it once only, and after that I'll just go to object mode once again and just click on object and search for quick effects, and from quick effects select the option for cell fracture, and inside cell fracture noise make sure to set it at 1 like so and click on OK, and you will see now Blender will create fractured pieces. Now in the outliner make sure cube or your main cube is not visible by hiding it like so, and once that it is hidden select all the fractured part, and after that just go to object once again and go to rigid body and make sure to set the cube or the object that you want to break as add active like so. And now I'll just select my plane and go to object mode and just go to rigid body and I will set it to add passive like so. And now when I play the animation, as you can see we have successfully destroyed an object in Blender. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.